Yo, so guys, me welcome back to again with another video. And in today's video, it's a pretty exciting video for me because we're gonna be finally installing the full exhaust system. Technically, it's a full exhaust. So here we have the ARROW headers for the CBR600RR in the race headers. With the mid pipe, we're gonna be installing it on the bike, the slip-on that I'm gonna show you right now, and weigh the difference between this and the OEM setup. So let's see what's in the box. Alright, so here we have the headers. They're pretty high quality. They feel pretty light. I installed the OEM setup though, so we'll see the difference. Here we have the connectors from the headers to the mid pipe, and here we have the mid pipe. Looks pretty sweet. And here we have the tools necessary. Here we have the tools for the installation with the instructions. So yeah, let's go to the slip-on and see what it is. So here we have the slip-on. It's a MIVV full titanium slip-on with the carbon fiber end cap. Let's open the box and see what's inside it. Alright, so here we have the link pipe from the slip-on to the mid pipe. We have the instructions and the bunch of stickers and license for your flag. I don't know what it is. We have the required tools to install it. Look at that carbon fiber. It's sweet. Alright, let's go ahead and install it on the bike. Alright, so first we're gonna take off the fairings, side fairings, so we can access the headers, and we're gonna take off the rear tail so we can take off the slip-on.
I'm sorry guys, I didn't do the best job at documenting me removing the rear section and the side fairing. So I'll link video down below for another YouTuber who's called ARROW. You probably heard of him if you ever search something about CBR600RR. He did an amazing job explaining how to do everything step by step, so I would highly recommend you watching him. Again, sorry, but I was busy with removing the rear section and the side fairing. But anyways, back to it. After removing the rear section and the side fairings, I took off the slip-on and the stock headers, and then I weighted them, and the results were actually surprising to me because the slip-on came in around 4 kilos, which is roughly 8.8 pounds, and the headers came in around 4.8 kilos, which is 10.56 pounds. And that's with the servo and everything. I was actually surprised because I thought it would be a bit heavier than that. So the stock exhaust came in around 8.8 kilos, which is 19.36 pounds. And then I weighed the ARROW headers, which came in around 3 kilos, which is roughly 6.6 pounds. And the MIVV titanium slip-on came in around 2 kilos, which is 4.4 pounds. And that makes the total weight of the new exhaust setup just 5 kilos, which is 11 pounds. Which makes the weight difference between the aftermarket setup and the stock setup 3.8 kilos, which comes in around 8.36 pounds. And that's a pretty significant difference, which I'll talk about after installing all the mods video. Anyways, I don't want to bore you with details, so let's just take a listen to the before and after. So that's it for today's video. Let me know what you think about the sound difference. I really like how it sounds right now, and the audio really doesn't do it justice. You gotta hear it in person. So that's the end of today's video. Hope you really enjoyed it. If you like it, please drop a like and subscribe. So yeah, see you boys later.